Cape Town Stadium was packed to the rafters, a vibrant sea of supporters ready to witness Bafana Bafana take on South Sudan in their final Africa Cup of Nations qualifying match. For head coach Hugo Broos, the stake were more than just 3 points. The Belgian mentor, who has orchestrated a remarkable transformation of South Africa's national football team, demanded nothing less than professionalism and a winning mentality, a standard he has tirelessly instilled over the past 3 years. And the team delivered in style. A commanding 3-0 victory over South Sudan not only extended their unbeaten run to 16 matches, but also showcased a side brimming with energy, focus, and determination. He said, "First of all, I have to congratulate my team for the performance, but also for the mentality." Broos was speaking after the match during the pre-match meeting and said, "I showed them a few results of teams who were already qualified but lost their final group game. Tunisia, Nigeria, Burkina Faso. I asked the players not to spoil the party today, and that shows again the mentality we have in this team." Broos took charge of Bafana Bafana in 2021, inheriting a squad that often lacked purpose and drive on the international stage. The talent was evident, but the players approached a national team duty with what Broos described as a holiday mindset. For years, matches like the one against South Sudan were treated as mere formalities, with players' thoughts already drifting back to their club commitments. But that attitude is now a relic of the past. Broos has instilled a winner's mentality, demanding his charges play with intensity and pride every time they don the national jersey. His efforts have paid dividends, as evidenced by Bafana Bafana's unbeaten AFCON qualifying campaign, which saw them top Group K with 4 wins and 2 draws, earning a seeding for the 2025 tournament in Morocco. Under Hugo's leadership, Bafana Bafana's transformation extends beyond mere results. The team's run to a bronze medal at the previous AFCON in Ivory Coast served as a testament to their growing resilience and determination. Their semi-final clash against Nigeria, which ended in a heartbreaking penalty shootout, highlighted their ability to stand toe-to-toe with the continent's heavyweights. Broos said, "The big achievement this team made is their mentality. When I started 3 years ago, I was sometimes very disappointed when I saw the training. I had a feeling that some of the players were coming to national team to be on holiday. That was the feeling I had. The quality was always there. I saw good players, but they didn't have the right mentality." Now that narrative has shifted entirely. Broos has cultivated a culture of commitment, ensuring that even in matches deemed dead rubbers, his team plays with full intensity, and said the fact that this team still played 90 minutes for 100% to be first in the group is the right mentality. "I'm very proud of this team and to be their coach." Bafana Bafana's resurgence under Hugo Broos has reignited hope among South African football fans. The team's newfound discipline, mental strength, and hunger for success are setting the stage for a bright future as they look ahead to the AFCON in Morocco, where they will compete as a seeded team. Bafana Bafana's transformation serves as a reminder of what can be achieved when talent is paired with the right attitude and leadership. For now, South African football fans can celebrate a team that is not only winning games but also winning hearts. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe for more sports news.